scene. Hi, tuba player. Hi, drummer. Hi, guy with the cymbals. Hi, trumpeter. Hi, tambourine girl. Hi, timbali man. Hi, didgeridoo player. Hi, triangle player. Hi, guy with the kettle drum. Hi, pianist. Hi, guy with the flute. And hello, Dolly! Was it something I said? Something weird is going on today. Everyone's running away from me. And now, giant piles of... Oh, hi, Patrick. I'm confused.
Yes, I am.
Patrick, everyone is running away from me. Watch. Hi, building. I just don't get it.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dublin to Radnor Township, moving east at 35 mph. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Norristown, Willingboro, Lansdale, West Northern, East Northern, Lumberton, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Riverside, and Conshohocken. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 321 and 359. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 32. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 24 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 341. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 76. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 19. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms could occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Say it. Say it.
I'm ugly.
You're ugly and what?
Square?
No. Proud.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Good. Say it louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.